The intended audience for this Mathcast is grade 3. The objective is to understand equal groups of multiplication, created by Chelsea Greenwood. Our first vocabulary word is equal, which is of exactly the same amount or value, and these down here are examples. Our next vocabulary word is pattern, which is a collection of numbers, shapes, or objects that form a consistent or characteristic arrangement. And these are also examples shown below. Our next vocabulary word is multiply, which is to find the product of. And this is our example down below. Our next vocabulary word is sum or total, which is the result of adding two or more numbers. And this is our example below. Our last vocabulary word is product, which is the result of multiplying two or more numbers. And the examples are shown below. Example number 1. If there are 83 girls and 76 boys in the third grade, how many total students are in the third grade? To find the total students in the third grade, we are going to add 83 and 76 together. First we do 6 plus 3, which is 9. And then we do 7 plus 8, which is 15. Therefore, there are 159 students in the third grade. Example number 2. Fill in the blanks to make true statements. 3 groups of 5 equal, 3 5s equals, and 3 times 5 equals. As you can see, we have 3 hands, which is 3 groups of 5, because each hand has 5 fingers. Therefore, if we count all the fingers on 3 hands, we will have 3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, 3 groups of 5 equals 15. Now to find what 3 5s is equal to, we will count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So 3 5s equals 15. Now, we are going to do the same thing for 3 times 5 as we did for 3 5s and 3 groups of 5, because 3 times 5 means that there's 3 groups of 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Example number 3. Fill in the blanks to make true statements. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals. 5 groups of 3 equals, and 5 times 3 equals. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. 5 groups of 3 is shown by the 5 bunches of bananas that has 3 bananas in each. So there are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 bananas. So 5 groups of 3 equals 15. 5 times 3 is the same as 5 groups of 3. Therefore, 5 times 3 equals 15. Thank you for watching. Resources used in this were Engage New York and Google, created by Chelsea Greenwood.